In today's video we're going to be installing the driver's seat swivel base. So this is the RIB model. The reason I got this one is to say that it doesn't make the seat go too high. It's probably one of the lowest ones on the market. Let's unbox it and have a look. It's quite heavy. Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VWcrafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on our journey. Let's start by getting the front two out. Now the back ones. So on the Crafter, you have to, before you disconnect the wire under the seat, you've got to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. This is easy done on the passenger side, just under the floor panel here. Just a 10mm key. Slotting that off. And that's it done. The only other thing to do is, this is this multi-plug here, which is your airbag in that. Just press it in the inside there and lift up. And that's the seat ready to be hauled out. Right. So now we've got the base on. What we'll do now is, I'll just turn that bit around a wee bit, we'll line the holes up. So the first, we'll not be using the factory bolts anymore, we've got to be using what we get in the kit. So the first ones are just to install these four. Right, just to put the seat back up now. And what we'll do is feed the cable underneath. Right, these ones next. They just go in between here. and then just slide up. Then we put the washer in. Then we get the new bolt. Screw that down. And I'll do that with the other three, and that'll be that bit done. So that's it all done. I'm not going to lie, it's a wee bit mucking about when you've got to turn the seat around, you've got to adjust the back here, you've got to pull it back and forward. But it's worth it, because I want to keep the double seat. No, happy with it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe and follow us on our journey.